Hello everyone, Diogo Tarini here for the Weekend Filmmaker. Today we have something new. As I promised, new things in 2018. Today we have our first vlog. Me and my friend Shin, who is a photographer and videographer, link to his work down below. We took our drones for a spin. Shin called me up and said, dude, I need to practice a little bit of flying drones because I'm sort of rusty. And I said, well, why not? So we decided to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this first vlog. Please leave in the comments below what you think. If you like the format, if you don't, just leave your comments down below. Let's do this. Oh, but before, intro. So we just got to Surrey Hills, right? Yeah, Surrey Hills. We were going to try to fly the drone straight away, but it's really foggy, and we're just gonna have lunch now, and hopefully after lunch we're gonna be able to fly a little bit, because that's at the moment we can't really see much, and I think we'll be quite hard to fly. So it's me and what's up? He's doing his impression of Peter McKinnon. Peter, that's you know, someone to look up to. This guy here. Shin is a photographer and a videographer as well. I'm gonna link his social media and his website and everything down below. If you wanna check his work, just make sure that you access his website. And that's it. Let's go and get lunch now. Just got two baguettes and let's dig in. Shin is clearly doing it already. So we just finished having the meal. It was good. I had some sausage, if that matters. Shin had some fish. Some fish. It was good. Now hopefully the weather has cleared a little bit, I think. Maybe not. I think so. I think it did, right?
It's got better.
Yeah. And then we'll
see what it's like on the other side of the mountain.
Exactly, we're going to the other side. Shin found some routes and we just gonna explore. See you there then. Just got to a place now. We're gonna try and try to find somewhere to actually fly. We're not sure because it's quite dense, and hopefully we are going to find an open field. Shin is doing some research.
This doesn't tell us much, but
how are you feeling about pretty much the first time as being south?
it's alright.
It's alright. Yeah, I actually like being in the woods. Ooh, maybe baby. It's open. There's a house there. Maybe a problem. Yeah, exactly. That's a good thing. Maybe we found our little place.
I think this is it.
Yeah, look at this. Then open a little bit more. Is it recording? Yeah, I keep on asking if it's recording or not, but yeah, this is it. Shin somewhere there. I don't have the flip out screen, so oops, there now. This is it. Let's practice a little bit. People say that we need an open field to practice our drone. This is it. Let's do it. And a quick update, we are here operating our drones. Shin flew once and I did once as well. Unfortunately, I'm going to show you, Shin had a little accident. He's laughing now, but one of the blades, well, this was our landing area, but it's no longer our landing area, because he tried to land here and the drone kind of like went here, but at the end it finished there on the floor. So this is what happened to one of the propellers here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Hopefully the autofocus is working. Actually, let me see if the autofocus is actually on. Probably this whole thing was out of focus anyway, but and with the second propeller, little accident here. These things happen. Yeah, Anyway, look how organized he is. Organized. That's how a real drone operator operates drones. It's concentrating, checking the best angle. That's a samurai drone operator. Look at this. This is beautiful. There's another area here that I want to get a shot with a drone. Let's see if I can show you guys. I haven't vlogged in a long time, so this is the first vlog of the channel since I kind of came back, and then I don't know if the volume of the microphone is fine. Can't check because there is no flip out screen on this flipping Sony's, but again, look at this. This is beautiful. Definitely come in here more often. Not only for drone, but just great. 30 minutes away from my house. That's insane. Let me see if I'm not overexposed. I should be fine. Am I fine? Look, there's another area here that is actually quite open. Not as open as that area there, but pretty good as well. It's not too cold. The place, as you can see, is stunning. It's amazing. I mean, in the summer it's probably great, but and the winter is gorgeous as well. All these brown leaves, and we can fly the drone. It's just great. I'm excited about the second flight. Should we just teleport, I think is the word? Is that teleport? You know, once you kind of leave one place, like as we live in here, and appear in another place. So now we are about to do our second flight. Yeah, mine is here, kind of ready. Actually, I need to charge my phone. I'll be back in a second. How the tests? Pretty comfortable?
I think so.
Good shots?
I'm more focusing on the handling skill improvement than the low battery alarm.
No battery alarm. Oh, that's another thing, that even if I wanted to actually operate his drone, it's not possible. I'll show you why in a minute. It's a thief-proof thing, because look, can't understand. God damn it! Why did you do this?
Tech has to be in Japanese.
Oh no, man. Isn't that annoying? It's just like, yeah, like asking, maybe your friend is asking you like, can I borrow your drones? Yeah, of course. But you can actually trick them saying, I bought in Japan. You can't change the settings. Like, yeah, you know, as hard as it sounds, it's true. So we done. Shin did most of the job. I did a little bit. Yeah, now we hitting the road. Just didn't forget anything, did we? Clear. Good. Yeah, so we did, what was that, about an hour?
Yeah.
Kind of flight. It was great. I mean, for the time that we haven't practiced, it was great. Yeah, we're definitely gonna come back here, or even go to the coast. The English coast is quite nice, so should be cool. Yeah, so we going home now with mission accomplished. So say bye to Shin. Bye, Shin.
No.
I'll see you guys home. And this was the first vlog here of the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.